lot of people don't know anything about law of attraction and still they keep attracting all these good things in their lives. On the other hand, there are people who apply law of attraction techniques consciously and still they fail to attract good things in their life. Why? Hello everyone, I am Anandita and I welcome you all in my channel Delight Redefined. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and join the Delight Redefined family. I would be blessed to have you in Delight Redefined family. Now let me first tell you when I got introduced to law of attraction. Around 10 years ago, I saw this movie, The Secret, and I got introduced to law of attraction. After that, I researched a lot, explored a lot. I started experimenting with law of attraction techniques and I started getting the result. In case of first 3 or 4 manifestations, I actually thought it's just lovely coincidences, but then I realized no, law of attraction actually works. But I have a huge misconception. I thought law of attraction is all about techniques, but that is absolutely incorrect. Law of attraction is not about techniques. Law of attraction is a way of living. It's a way of thinking. It's a habitual way of thinking, and that is why a lot of people who don't know even law of attraction, they keep attracting good things because of their upbringing or their environment. They have developed this particular way of thinking. They have become a magnet of positive things, and that is why they keep attracting all the good things in their life. And then I realized well-being and law of attraction, they are interrelated. If you don't know anything about law of attraction, if you don't do anything about law of attraction, or you don't use even any kind of technique, but you focus on your well-being, you will automatically start attracting good things. Why focusing on your well-being is so important when it comes to law of attraction? I will give you 3 reasons. The first one is when we focus on our own well-being, we are giving a strong signal to the universe that we are grateful for what we have. How many of us really take care of ourselves? For example, a couple of weeks ago, I talked about how we can stop craving. When I am taking nutritious food, I am taking care of my physical health. It is a strong indication that I am actually grateful for my physical health, and we all know that is absolutely important. I don't have to talk about it in this scenario, right? It's so important, but still we often ignore that. We often ignore what we have. But if you know anything about law of attraction, then obviously you have heard of gratitude. Action is more powerful than words, right? I have an entire playlist on physical well-being because I believe that's the basic thing we have and we should really take care of that. Okay, so when we focus on our well-being, unconsciously we are practicing law of attraction because we are practicing gratitude. So that is the first reason why focusing on well-being, on your well-being is so important when it comes to law of attraction. The second reason is high vibration. Now I can't emphasize enough on this. For example, this is you, okay, and this is your desire. Now if you use law of attraction technique, you will attract it here, but it can't come down. You have to raise your vibration, and the easiest way to raise your vibration is to focus on your well-being. In a particular video, I talked about comparison, okay, how we can stop comparing ourselves with others. Now think, if I keep comparing myself with other people, I am in really low vibration. How can I expect to attract anything good in my life? Because law of attraction talks about high vibration, and when you focus on your well-being unconsciously, you are in high vibration, and that is why you would be able to attract more good things in your life. The third thing, the third reason why I believe focusing on your wellness, your well-being is so important is that it works as detachment. Again, if you have heard of law of attraction, I believe you have also heard of detachment. If you keep thinking about your wishes, desire, you are actually focusing on lack. Sometimes you feel bad because of the absence of your desire, right? So all this law of attraction techniques take 10 minutes or 30 minutes, but what about the entire day? You need to focus on other things as well. So if you start focusing on your well-being, then you are actually detaching yourself from that desire. And when you let it go, when you detach yourself from desire, believe me, whatever you want, that just shows up. So that is why focusing on your well-being is essential. Whether you believe in law of attraction or not, always focus on your well-being. And that is why there are a lot of people who don't know about all these techniques and still they keep attracting all these good things. On the other hand, if you are a deliberate creator, which means you actually apply law of attraction techniques, that is wonderful, because then I believe you are a designer of your own life. I believe you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section and also give it a like. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for listening to me. Keep tuning in. See you next time.